What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Kit from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's draw two lines, one coming down on the left and then one over on the right. Now I'm going to move out and draw that same length line along the outside of the eyes. Let's connect the top on the left with a curve. We go up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's round up the bottom of the eyes. Going down and then up. Let's fill the eyes in black. Let's add a thick lash along the top of each eye. So on the left, we're going to bend this around and then in. Go up at an angle and then in. And we'll fill the lashes in black. In between the eyes along the bottom, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then down. Let's move down. Start with a point. Curve the left side of the mouth. Go down and then up. And same thing on the right. Let's open up the mouth, starting over on the left, curve this down, and then up. Along the top, we're going to draw a straight line going across the teeth, and then along the bottom, add a curve for the tongue, and then we'll fill the center of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a circle, all the way around, and then up. Let's add two small ears, pointing up and then back down. Let's add two circles on either side and fill those in black. And then in the center, just going to curve them out, going down and up to the left and right. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the cheek. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve the cheek going out, come down. I'm just going to pull that in towards the side. Let's line this up over on the right. So right here, bend this out, come around the cheek, and then bend that in. Let's add two whiskers on either side, and this up and in, step down, and draw that again. Now I'm going to work our way up along the inside. So starting on the left, go up around the eye, come in and then down in the center, go up on the right side, come around and then back down. Now we move out towards the side of the cheek, curve the top of the head. We go up in the middle, round up the head, come across, and then down. Now let's place the ears on top of the head. We're going to start over on the left side, then up, and then out. Go to the right side, going up, and out. Let's go back to left. We're going to round up the outside of the ear, going out, down, and then in. Let's add a fold on the top of the ear, just from this point, then this in, and then down. Then we'll add a small detail on the inside, straight out, down, and then in. Now we're going to move back down and draw on the edge of the collar, starting from the side, then out, and then up underneath the head. From the outside of the collar, curve the body, going out, down, and then in towards the hips. And then in the center, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up, and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, angle the leg, going out, and we'll bend that down towards the heels on either side. Let's round up the bottom of the feet, starting from the heel, curve the foot, coming down, and then up. Now we're going to go back to the left side. We're going to draw a half circle going up toward the top of the foot and then bring that down towards the heel. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. On the left, we're going to step out, bend this out, and then down. Let's separate the toes with two curves, one coming in on the left and then the right. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Round up the cuff, bending this up. And then curve the arm going up and then in underneath the head on both sides. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist, starting on the left, then it's around, in, and then up. Let's go to the inside of the cuff along the bottom, draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. And then we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from underneath the thumb, then down and up around that bracket, go out towards the side, go out and then in with the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and then in towards the outside of the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add the tail coming down and out from the left side. We start from the hip, come down around the hand, and then out. Round up the tail, come in and up towards the side of the leg. Let's separate the end of the tail from the top, go out and back in across the bottom. Now I want to add a thick X along the back of each hand. So we're going to start underneath the cuff, start with a V, round up the ends and pull that back in. Now I want to take that shape and flip it across the bottom. So I'm just going to angle this down and out towards the fingers, round up the end and pull that up in the middle. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting across the top of the V, and work our way across the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Kit from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.